Hey, how you doing? Building a deck here in this spot today, and had a small one. It's been sided. I've already cut back the siding from my ledger board, and I already have the footings in. Footings go down about 3 feet. Except for the ones up by the house, they go down about 2'6", and then they sit on top of the footing from the foundation, or the foundation. But I'll be removing all this stuff, and then I'll be attaching the ledger board to the wall using legs and anchors, and I'll be putting a pin in through the post support or post anchors into here with the Hildy, a little bit of epoxy, and framing the deck out today. Okay, there's my lumber. It's not showing the 4x4s, they're still in the truck. But there we go. And we'll show you a little later. I'll go together, and I'll get rid of those too. But there's the rest of the deck. I gotta put a quarter on down here. Put a little corner on down there, extend that corner down. Not too bad. All right, finish the steps. Starting on the railing. Oh, still gotta do that corner down there. Forgot. But do a little something on that. Let's make that sit down. I didn't notice it was sticking up there. I'll probably have to take it back apart. But before I'm done, it'll be looking good. All right, here we are again, and almost done. Got to do two things. Come back with a shorty screwdriver. Where am I? Can you see it? Right there. I'm missing the. I got to move, come up and move down here. Got to do something here so that this sits down flat. Could use the 1/4 inch, huh? But got the corner on. Got to find something too that doesn't split the corners when I try to pin them. Because if they were pinned, they'd be a lot tighter. But there she is. That's it, pretty much. another 10-15 minutes worth of work, and I'll have it wrapped up.